Okay, got my camera running. Oh boy. Oh yeah.
Still going on, but I didn't want to stay.
Oh.
So I said, okay, I'm going home.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I mean, well, maybe I'll come back. Like, are you leaving? I said, yeah, maybe I'll come back next week. I just don't...
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Steak doesn't work well. And still kind of light. Oh, yeah. No signal, yeah, right. Oh.
And normally it's a lot. About an hour.
Oh.
But it doesn't feel right. Go, I was about the only female in there. I was like, no, not tonight.
Oh.
They're all at a graduation. But I can't, which I don't understand, because at this late of year, who's graduating?
Yeah, the school years have been really changed the last couple of years. They extended the school years by like until July at least in some places.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's not June or May like it used to be.
Yeah, that's weird.
Well, because a lot of people weren't going to school in person, so they missed a lot of schools. So they had to kind of extend. Yeah, because I know learning via like video probably isn't the same as. Oh yeah, I can't really learn that well. Yeah, just do video versus like in person. Like, oh yeah, that's how like, yeah, but I took a class like that years ago when I first started community college, and I didn't like it. That's the only option they offer.
Yeah, it does.
Online only.
It was like, okay, what's going on here?
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, I got kind of like yeah. Oh yeah.
I just don't. I told him maybe I'll come next week. But I know. I'm by my own female there. No,
oh yeah. Yeah.
So I'm gonna stop by Jack in the Box and get me some dinner and hold on to this till tomorrow. You know where Jack in the Box is, right?
Yeah, it's a couple. Yeah, it's a couple of them.
And I was gonna have my yogurt and stuff, and I was like, no, you know what? I'm just gonna let myself cheat. I already cheated with Kevin, so I'm just gonna let myself cheat today and go back to it tomorrow.
Yeah. That's fast.
That, like, I think always is really fast.
I don't know. It's that. Yeah. I mean, I don't know here how they're programmed, but in San Francisco, they're supposed to be like a few seconds. The longest, like the red light, is supposed to be like a couple extra seconds, like long, but everything else is supposed to be like 3 seconds or 5 seconds.
Yeah, no, this one seems to be longer.
Yeah, because they normally the way they program is like if it's the street that has the most traffic, that's the one that has to stay on green longer versus the other one that gets less traffic. So that's pretty much how they do in a lot of places. Like kind of makes sense that way too. The street that has the majority of the traffic, they program the light streets last longer. Yeah, oh yeah, longer on green and the cross street, sure, but oh yeah.
So like I said, next week I may end up coming again and seeing, but it was just a graduation. It was like, okay, I'm not going to be the only female in here.
Oh yeah.
I'll stop and give him some dinner and then just go home and say, you know what, I did it. And I'll go back next week. If I decide to go next week.
Oh yeah.
They changed a lot of it, and I figured they would. like I said, I'm gonna let you go early. Kevin's aware of it. Have you go in and fill out the book and just put 12. I let you go.
Oh yeah,
And then,
they're really checking in now, starting July 1st. So I have to.
well, see,
do
and
the notes and stuff. Yeah.
I let you go because I was going to a meeting, and that's all they're gonna know. I was going to a meeting.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And Kevin's aware of it.
Yeah, he was there.
You know, he told me, you know, as he told me, you missed it. Just go. Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna. That's okay. I can go around the block.
Oh.
Yeah, no,
You know, I get going to the other lane. I'll just go. I'll go to Wendy's.
Yeah.
Because Wendy's over there. Yeah. I'll just go to Wendy's and grab something.
Yeah.
But you're already past it. So
Yeah. It's like. Yeah, I can just go here and just come back the other way. So. Yeah. No.
Well, I was gonna go to the meeting, but it was like, you know what? I'm not going if no women are here. I mean, because they normally break into groups, and it's like, you know what? I don't feel comfortable. Well, I saw you a couple weeks here, and I said, yeah, I don't come here. And then I stopped in once in a great while.
Oh yeah.
I go to another church.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, it's pretty. Yeah.
And then with the temperature right now, I was like, I'm not making him sit on that heat.
Oh no, I'm actually more comfortable when in heat than I am when it's cold. Like when it's cold, I don't do well.
Well, see, that's when I lost all my weight, which I was fasting all day today, and Kevin said, I'm in the mood for Chinese, and I was like, you know what, it's not so good. I'll break it and I'll go back to it tomorrow.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you should get gas here. Normally in the mornings, like over here, or depending where my gas tank is at, but I come up that way and turn, but yeah.
I'm trying to get where it's easy for you, and because we missed that one, it was like, okay, you know what?
Yeah, no, the car's behind me. I can't really
So that's
slow
what
down. Oh yeah. No, especially when it's hot. For some reason, people get.
Yeah, they're out more.
I mean, they're more. Yeah, they get more.
And they get more angry and more. Yeah.
And it has. I mean, I know it has been proven wrong. Like the heat doesn't make you mad, but for some reason, people think it does.
Well, the heat doesn't, but the fact that you're warm, it's like okay, but when you're.
Yeah.
I mean, even when you're really cold, it's like okay, it just goes on a temperature. It goes on a fit. I was like, yeah.
Oh yeah, no. Yeah.
So just park, and I'm gonna go inside and grab something, and then I'll come out.
Oh yeah. It's better here.
Yeah, because I'm gonna have to look at what they've got. I think I know one thing I'm gonna get is a baked potato.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I love their baked potatoes.
Yeah, it was just plain like this. Last time I had it was just not like the one that's at market, public market. Like it's plain here, but it's like no. Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna, and then I will eat this tomorrow when because I did bring something, but it's like, you know what? Nah.
Yeah.
All right, I'll be right back.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Like, stop fucking talking. Talk too damn much. Damn. Don't let people talk. You keep fucking interrupting them. She is very rude to people.